Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Hello Kitty makeup tutorial. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started. So, first things first, Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation. Put that on your face and blend it out with your beauty blender. So one of my favorite foundations is the Peach Perfect Foundation. Oh, I'm using this shade Snow. Then you're gonna go in with your Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using light beige. See? Yep. Hi. So go ahead and put that on your pimples, on your nose. I just started using Tarte Shape Tape and I actually like it quite a bit. It's really nice. So yes, there you go. And just blend that out. Woo. Then I'm going to go ahead and do a quick contour. I'm using the Cocoa Contour Set by Too Faced. I'm just going to do it really fast. Yep. Gotta go do the contouring. I really love contouring. It's really one of my favorite things. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some blush on this Too Faced Pretty in Pink palette, I think it's called, from the Christmas collection. I'm going to use the blush in there. Gonna use some pink and purple eyeshadow from my NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. Yep. Put some eyeshadow on. Then I'm gonna go ahead in with my Too Faced Life's a Festival palette using Unicorn Tears, the one in the middle, just to add some glitter to my eyeshadow. Because, you know, glitter makes everything better, right? Next, I'm going to put on a highlight. I forgot what this palette is called, but it's from Kat Von D. It's a highlight palette from Kat Von D. Mascara, Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. Put some mascara on. Don't poke yourself in the eye like I always do. You know me. Going to use this glitter eyeshadow from Stila in the shade Sea Siren, I think it is, and put that in the corners of my eyes. Don't get it in your eye, but put it in the corners of my eyes to get like a doe-like look. And that's what I used for the lips. Jeffree Star and Too Faced. And yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all later.